Hi guys, it's the Wig Fairy GH speaking and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you how I colored this purple ombre wig. Guys, it literally took me 5 minutes. I'm not even lying, and I'm giving you exact measurements as well. Like, let me not even waste your time. Let's go. Alright guys, so first of all, we're going to need a 613 unit that has been purple rinsed. And with a purple rinse, that's when you use purple shampoo to remove the yellow, brassy undertones that you find in 613 hair. And once you do the purple rinse, that leaves the hair looking icy, platinumy, as you can see over here. I did do this to the bundles and lace last year, the day I was traveling, so I ended up leaving my lace in the purple shampoo solution for too long, which is why some parts of the hair look purple. And my lace is also purple, so don't do that. If you guys want to know exactly how to do a purple rinse, let me know in the comments below and I'll upload a video. It's so simple. And also, the point of doing this is because I feel like pastel colors do come out looking nicer when you strip the yellow undertones from 613 hair. Secondly, what we need is a bowl that's deep and wide enough to fit at least 4 liters of water in it. That's what we're going to be using for the coloring process. Thirdly, 1.5 liters of boiling water and 2 liters of water at room temperature. We're going to need a 25 milliliter scoop, a spatula, gloves, Adore Dye, Magenta, Indigo glue. I mixed magenta and indigo blue to get that deep purple you see at the bottom of the ombre. Rich eggplants, that's what I use for the base color. That pastel, light purple, lavendery. You can also use lavender to achieve that look as well. So yeah, these are the 4 dyes that can be used to achieve the look we're going for. So we're starting by filling the bowl with the 1.5 liters of boiling water. Then we go in to add the 2 liters of water at room temperature. So the thing is, we don't want the water to be scorching hot, but we don't want it to be lukewarm either. So we want it to be like not that hot, but also not too warm. So in between lukewarm and hot. Just like not hot enough to burn your hand, please. Please. I don't want anybody to come and say the Wig Fairy GH made you get 2nd degree burns, okay? In the next step, we're going to take a rich eggplant and pour 15 milliliters. Let me just say ml. So we're pouring 15 ml of rich eggplant dye in the scoop and mixing that into the warmish hotish water. And we have to make sure that there are no blobs or pieces of the dye in the color solution. We have to ensure that all the dye has dissolved 100%. Otherwise, if there are blobs of dye in the solution, it means that sections of your hair will have like stains and blob size just blotches and it just won't distribute nicely. It'll just look ugly, okay? We don't want an ugly dye job. Like, what? One day I go graduate to the big bum and the tiny. So over here, I'm just dipping in a strip of the leftover bundles to test and make sure that the color is exactly what I want. This is for the base color, so that pastel purple. Do you see how quickly the dye just deposits onto the hair? Like, guys, this is so exciting! Just ignore me, but you know, we gotta have fun with it. So at this point, I'm getting ready to dip in the units into the solution. Guys, remember that the part you dip in first takes the most color. So obviously, because I wanted this to show, especially at the top, I held the units as if I was holding a pony so I could section off where I wanted the dye to go first, which is at the very top. So I dipped the top in, massaged the solution through the top part of the hair. Wait, pause. Why do I have gloves on my right hand when they should rather be on my left hand? Because that's the color that's actually going into the solution. What? Anyway, so I dipped the top in, massaged the solution through the top part of the hair. And I was going to leave it like that, but I was like, you know what? I want the purples to blend in seamlessly. So I'd rather the entire unit start off being pastel purple and then dipping the tips in to darken them so that there won't be any stray pieces of silver. Although this unit does have silver dimensions, that's because we purple rinsed the unit in the beginning. I'm not this small boy. I don't graduate from this one. Okay, I get my master's, I get my PhD. I graduate. Oh, yeah.
don't learn many things, so I don't go many places. I don't see many faces, but girl, now you way I did one thing, now you know. Your body so nice, girl, you know, say me now, don't want no small things, yeah. I want some big bang things, so yeah. When I come to, I pack up the place, so now I did mash up the chest, you know. Me, I just scatter the place, we just scatter the place. Let's reset up the play. Every day when I wake up, I want to fly back to Jamaica, fly straight into your water. One day I go graduate to the big bomb and the tiny way.
This process took a minute. It took under 1 minute. As you can see in the bowl, most of the color has been deposited onto the unit. It wouldn't have dyed any deeper. So that's when you know you're ready to move on to the next step. So now we're about to take the measurements for the dark purple. Guys, pay attention to this part. It's very important. So what you're gonna need is 20 ml of magenta and 5 ml of indigo blue. Indigo blue is a super pigmented blue, so you only need a little to achieve that perfect purple, just as I did. I'm going to do a swatch to show you. As you can see, this is the purple we're going for, so that's good. So we pour the mixture into the bowl and we have to make sure we mix it very, very well. Because at first it started from like a bluish color, and as we mixed it became purple, just as what was seen on the swatch. So now that we've mixed it perfectly, we can go ahead and, like we did the first time, use a strip of the remaining bundles to test the solution to ensure that the color is what you want. Make sure to always test. I know sometimes you may think you have the mix down, but just in case, you really never know, mistakes can happen. So just test it, dip just a little bit in, and let's see. So as you can see, I dipped it in and the color that came out was what I wanted. So I went ahead to dip the ends of the units into the solution. I'm so sorry my video kept losing focus at some points. It's because my phone, I don't know why I kept doing that, but anyway. So at this point, we're dipping the ends of the units into our purple solution. We're massaging. We're checking, we're leaving it in. When you leave it in, make sure to massage intermittently. Leave it in for about a minute and then lift it up and see if the color is what you want. You can leave it in for about a minute or two, but I just kept doing 20-second intervals and massaging and lifting because I didn't want the color to get too dark. So this is what I did.
One day I go graduate to the big bomb and the tiny waist party car, but I cannot back away before that. I go set up the place now. Sexy girl, make me mash up the place now. Yeah. Set up the place now. We go mash up the place now.
This is the final product. I hope you guys got the same results. This is exactly what I envisioned. This is exactly what I wanted. Miss Roche Posh was my inspo. I don't know if you guys saw that look she did, but she just didn't do the watercolor method. I saw it and I was like, I need to do this. But at the same time, I was like, I'm not gonna spend more than 10 minutes on this thing. She actually applied the dye to the hair directly. Obviously, that process is more tedious. For a client, yes, I would do that. But for myself, I'm not spending more than 5 minutes. Like, I'm not wasting time. I'm not wasting too much time on dyeing hair for myself. And she also used a different brand of dye. She used Arctic Fox, I think. But Adore Dye is easier for me to get. I don't know about you, but that's just for me. So I was like, I must come up with a watercolor version, and I did exactly that. I'll put her picture. I don't know, is that even allowed? I don't know. I'm not sure. But I'll put her picture there so you can see what it looked like, and let me know how I did. And yeah. So this is the final product after styling and layering the unit. This video is the first part of a 3-part series of the creation of this wig. If you want to see the second part, which is styling, which includes layering and curling, let's get this video to 50 likes and let's get me to 150 subscribers. I'm already on, I'm already on 118. So that's just what, 32 more subscribers? Guys, come on, we can do that. 32. You literally can just share it to your friends and ask them to subscribe to this channel so we can all work our magic. So once I get to 150 subscribers and this video gets 50 likes, I'll be posting the second video. Either way, I'll see you guys next week, if not before. Hint, hint. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see exactly how to do a purple rinse, and I'll upload a video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Oh my gosh, my buys are so weird. I need to work on them, right? No, I do. I feel like they're just so awkward. All right, bye guys.
Every day when I wake up, I want to fly back to